Okay, so firstly I'm going to show you the two types of bars that you can get from Thule. Now, the basic difference is that one has got a slot in the top of it and another hasn't. So the slot one here, which is the Aero wing bar that I'm showing you, the lighter silver, that's the one that's got the slot on the top and that's where the connectors go in, whereas the black Thule bar, which is just the older versions, the square bar, you clamp something down onto it. So that's the most important thing you need to check if you're going to be buying bars, or if you're going to be buying something to connect to your bars, if you've got that slot on the top or not. So if you're looking to buy second hand or even brand new, this is the most important aspect, knowing what bars you've got. Again, you'll be able to link them with your bike racks, and I'll show you the different bike racks. Okay, now both of them will have a slot on the underside for you to connect the feet onto. That's not what you're looking for. Okay, that will pretty much be consistent. It's the top bit which the so first let me show you the slot on the top connection. So if you're buying underneath either the box or in this case the bike rack, you'll find some connection pieces and there'll be a square that slot into that sliding slot on the top, which is why it's so important, because otherwise you won't be able to, if there's no slot on the top, it won't be able to connect in. As you can see, slide it in and then that locks down. So that's the slotted. So now the other type of connection, which is an older type of connection, is usually you'll find a clamp going underneath. Now you do have to be careful, because these clamps, usually it might look like that little T-piece might slot in, but it doesn't, because the slot piece was square, as you may recall. Now the other thing as well is that some of the clamps don't go over, so you can see on this Aero bar, don't go over some of the bars with slots on. So you want to make sure that you get the right version. Now usually the older bike racks are the ones that have this clamp. So to recap, you want to check the bars and if they've got a slot on the top, or whether there's something that you connect and clamp over. Now you can interchange. There's another video, please see the link, where if you do want to change the type of connection on your full bike bar, then there is an easy means of doing that, so I show you in another video. But yeah, the most important thing yet again is when you're buying second hand or brand new, don't worry about the design of it, just check if you've got that slot on the top. It may be hidden by a rubber cover in some cases, but as long as it's got that slot on the top, you know which one you need to buy. Okay, thanks for watching. Please like, please subscribe.